Hello teachers! Today we revisit a oldie but goodie amazing tool in Microsoft Sway. Yes, Microsoft Sway allows you or your students to create things such as digital storytelling, project-based learning, blogs, classroom newsletters. There's so much stuff you can do with it. Book reviews, etc., etc. So let me show you what that looks like. So here I am and I have a Sway that I use basically to create a newsletter. And notice how amazing this looks. This is basically a web page that has been created where you can add videos, you can add pictures, you can change the way the pictures look, and so on and so on. And it's very simple to use. So all of our students have the ability to get to Microsoft Sway once they're in ClassLink and they go to Office 365 and go into the waffle, and notice that they have the ability to get to Microsoft Sway. Once they get to Microsoft Sway, they have many options, which makes this tool very powerful. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the options they have. So the first one is they can create new sways, basically starting from blank. They can start from a topic, very incredible. So I'm going to go in here and go start from a topic, and I'm going to say the solar system, and I'm going to create an outline by just clicking on it. Create outline, and notice that it's going to do its magic. And all I did was ask for it to create basically a outline. So it gave me the solar system, and now our students can come in here and basically fill in the blanks with images. It gives them some of the topics that they can put in there. Say that is some pictures too for some of them. So pretty incredible to see that, right? You also have the ability to start from a document. There's two ways of doing it. Maybe you have a Word document right here and you just have created a document, and this is the water cycle. Pretty nicely done, right? But notice how I have the ability to go to File, Transform. I can transform into a web page, which basically it's that Sway that I was talking about. So it gives me an idea of what it looks like, and I have many options to select from here. So I like this first one right here, but there's more options right here, and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to say transform. And by just doing that, it's going to take that document that I have and it's going to transform it into a Sway. So it took that document and notice what it did. It's bringing the pictures little by little. It's taking a while, but it's basically just going to turn it into an amazing website. And we're going to give it a second for the pictures to upload. And over here, you have the ability to edit if you wanted to. And here you can change many things in here. So here the pictures are coming in. So the water cycle, very simple to me to just go and change a background and add a background if I wanted to. And notice that I have the ability to use from here. I can search for pictures. I can do it by category, or I can upload from my own. So maybe I wanted to do the water cycle. Going to look for images, and I like this one, so let's just put it in there. And notice that it added in there. I have the ability to play it always to see what it's going to look like when it's playing. So notice how beautiful this looks. The pictures were uploaded now, so they're there now. But if I don't like it and I want to change some stuff in here, I go back to edit. And when I go back to edit, I have the ability to switch to design. So when I go to design, I can go to styles, and I have the ability to say vertical or horizontal or slides. I have many options to say how I want my project to go. So now it's become more of a horizontal view, where I can do slides too, which is the typical look of a kind of a PowerPoint. So I don't like that view, so I stay with vertical, right? As a web page, or horizontal. You can change by just clicking. It automatically is going to take the whole settings and change it by just doing that. So notice how many options you have here. So let's go to this one right here, and notice how it's going to change and make it look really cool. So I'm happy with that. I can remix, and it's going to basically use some type of artificial intelligence to kind of make it look really nice. So let's remix it. So that's what it did. It even changed the font. Now let's go back to the storyline and let's play it. And this is my new look now. So just to give an idea what that looked like when we did that. So that's basically an idea of how you will upload a document and transform it. And you also have the ability, as I said, to start from a topic and to start from a document. I could have also started from here just by clicking. It would have opened my documents. I would have been able to find it and just bring that water cycle document and put it in there. But again, the power of it, again, once you are in there, is the ability to go in here. And when you are adding stuff, just to give you an idea, I have the ability to go plus, and I can add headings. When it comes to suggested, I can add text, I can add images, I can stack images, or I can upload from my computer. Very powerful. In addition to that, here's my text, which is heading in one, which is basically what I had here. Here's my media. I can get an image. I can also embed. So I can embed forms, documents, audio clips, and more from Microsoft Form, from SharePoint, so on and so on. So I can come in here again under media. Notice that I can add an image if I wanted to. Remember how we did that? I can bring it from our own device. I can also do on the media, I can embed. So let's say that I go to embed, right? And I have in my stream, I have a lot of videos. Let's go ahead and share that video. Notice I have the embed code right here. I'm just going to copy it, go back to Sway, throw my code in here. I can decide to make it original size, small, medium, or bigger. Okay, let's play it. You're going to see that the video was embedded right here and it's going to play inside of my Sway. The same ability, go in here. You can also upload, and with groups, it becomes very, very powerful. You can do automatic when you group sections. You can do it in a grid. You can compare, so a picture before and after if you wanted to. You can stack pictures. So if I had a couple of pictures, I can just put them one on top of each other, or I can do a slideshow. So at the end of the day, as I was telling you, when your students are finished, they can have a beautiful document like this that is actually a web page with videos, images. So here is a stack of pictures and what they would look like. And when the students are ready to share with you, maybe it was a Canvas assignment, they can come in here and they can basically give you a visual link, or they can copy the link and send it to you. They have the ability to say those are the organizations, so maybe those are the ones that they want to use. They can require a password to share it, but it's very easy to just basically copy the link and put it in your MLS and turn it in. And now you have a web page that is available, and you can actually show this to your parents when it comes to displaying the work that your students are doing. So again, the ability to use Microsoft Sway, very, very powerful for those blogs, right? Those digital storytelling, interactive lessons, and so on and so on. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.